Ito namang mga protected nesting beaches natin. At siguro nakita nyo yung video ng isang maliit na SUV na may mga pasahero. At ito ay nag-joyride doon sa coastal area ng San Juan, La Union. Ito ay tinatawag na protected nesting beach. Hinuli sila at pinagmulta ng local government unit ng 2,500 pesos per head. No? And because there was a municipal ordinance doon. Municipal Ordinance 05-2019. At sabi dito, motorized vehicles are strictly prohibited in these areas which serve as vital nesting grounds for endangered sea turtles. At maaring yung tire marks or tire mo ay makrush ang mga eggs or collapsing nest ng ating mga endangered sea turtles. And because of this, na-penalize yung ating mga joyriders ng not only the LGU pero pati LTO ay nag-impose din ng mga penalties which have heavier consequences. In relation dito, sinabi rin ng ating Korte Suprema na pwedeng i-demolish ang illegal structures along beaches. Doon sa Matabungkay Beach in Lian, Batangas, yung owners ng isang beach resort doon ay nag-file ng a case for abatement of nuisance against those who have been informally operating structures in the beach area for almost 50 years. Yung mga nagpaparent ng kubo-kubo pag kayo ay nag-beach. And sinabi dito sa Supreme Court, meron tayong DENR Administrative Order 2004-24 in relation to the Public Land Act or Commonwealth Act number 141 na foreshore lands may only be disposed through a lease agreement with the DENR. And nakita dito, yung mga nag-ooperate ng illegal structure, wala permiso galing sa DENR. Because of this, they were ordered demolished, and this applies to all beaches all over the country.